Welcome to this short course on drawing bending moment and shear force diagrams. This course contains 10 worked examples and is best taken after completing my main course on this topic, Mastering Shear Force and Bending Moment Diagrams. I'm Dr. Sean Carroll. I'm a chartered engineer and a fellow of the Higher Education Academy here in the UK. As a lecturer in structural engineering, the most frequent request I get from my students is for more worked examples. And there's a lot of logic to that because the best way to get a grasp on a new analysis technique is through practice. The best way to confirm that you understand a new analysis method or technique is to test yourself against challenging questions. Having the worked solutions to those questions to refer to if you hit a roadblock is a great way to rapidly improve your level of understanding. After completing these 10 worked examples, you will have confirmed for yourself that you can indeed tackle the shear force and bending moment diagram for any statically determinate structure. So as I've said, this course is an ideal bolt-on to my main course in this area, but having said that, if you haven't completed that main course and you are just on the hunt for some worked examples to supplement your own study in this area, this course could still be a good fit for you. Similarly, if you want to have a resource to return to in the future so that you can get a refresher on shear forces and bending moments a little bit further down the road, this is a good course also to have on the shelf. If you're after a more comprehensive introduction to shear forces and bending moments that goes into more detail on the how and the why, my main course in this area, which I've already mentioned, is probably a better place to start. So if you think you'll get value out of this course, go ahead and enroll, and I'll see you on the inside.